Flooring. If you're a homeowner, what type of floor is best for your project? And the same thing if you're a contractor. What type of floor should you be bringing your clients? Hi, I'm Greg Sforza. I'm the president of Done Right Remodeling, and today I want to discuss just a couple of products aside from our regular oak floors that are excellent products for the house, and they all serve a purpose, and they're important products to know about. The first one I like to bring you is Lindora. This is a fantastic product. It is pet friendly, waterproof, but it's also made of real wood. This is a 10-inch board, and the length of each board is 8 foot. So it gives you a really, really nice look. And if you look at a lot of the modern designs today, everything is wide plank, big boards. And with this company, you could do a lot of really unique designs. You can see that we have really, really nice wood, for your home, and you have a lot of different styles and a lot of different colors. Now, what's great about this product is it's actually 3 times harder than your average oak floor. It's commercially rated, and the install process is just a lot simpler. So instead of being held up where you're waiting for your floors to dry and your stain to dry, and the whole project is going to take a week, and we have to remove all your contents from the home and store it somewhere, this product is a click-together floor. It could be glued down, it could be nailed down. You can install it a lot faster and really have a look that is absolutely fantastic. I've seen another board. It was a standard 3/4 inch thick floorboard made of walnut. That board went for $67 a square foot, and something like this will price right around $10, $11 a square foot. Great item for the home. Another item that a lot of people know are our LVP floors. So a luxury vinyl plank floor is something that most consumers are aware of, but sometimes they don't know about some of the intricacies of the flooring. The thickness, whether you have a soft core or if you have a hard core, and each one has a different application and a different way of setting that material. And not every application is right for every floor. You really have to know your products and know what's nice. What I like about this LVP, again, is it's a wide plank. It's very natural looking. You can see that it has that micro bevel on the edge, and it's a really thick, good product. You could use this all throughout the first floor of a home, especially if you have pets. Most people will look at it and they won't know the difference whether it's real wood or not. Recently I had a project, and we did a basement out of it's a mineral core floor, a little bit different than this product. And a designer kept coming downstairs, and I told her it wasn't real wood, but every time she looked at it, she referenced it like, oh, that's a nice color stain and stuff like that. She couldn't wrap her head around it, because it was something that it was new to her. She hadn't seen it before. Now, this is another great product. I showed you before engineered wood. This looks a lot like that engineered wood. And this is a hard core, okay? It's solid. I like to think of it as something in between real wood and a tile floor. It's extremely durable. It's very hard. And it'll last you forever. And again, it's pet friendly, which is important. I think today, with our busy lifestyles, the least amount of maintenance we have is usually the best. You could install this in a bathroom, in a basement, in kitchens, throughout the whole upstairs of your house if you wanted to, and it's a really, really nice look. Click together also, great product. It's made by Shaw. Now, something that many people may not be aware of yet because they're relatively new to the market. I showed you some floors that are wood, some floors that look like wood, but this is a luxury vinyl, 100% waterproof, and it is real wood on the front. And again, this is a click-together floor, and they have great applications. It's a little bit softer than the Lindora floor, the engineered floor, so I might not recommend it for a kitchen or a main area of a home, but it's perfect for a bathroom. It's perfect for bedrooms. It's perfect for a basement. These are really, really nice products. All right, so we just went over three real mainstays of flooring today. One being our engineered wide plank floor. We went through our LVPs, we went through our mineral core, hardcore floors, and we went through some of the natural wood veneer, waterproof, click-together floors. There's another product that I really like. It's unique, and again, it serves its purpose. It's called a loose lay floor. And the way that floor is designed is it actually sticks and has small little suction cups on the bottom of it, and it sticks to the floor that you lay it onto. And one of the great things about it is, let's say you put it in a basement and the basement ever floods. That floor just lifts back up and then it lays back down again. There are no tabs, it doesn't stick together. We are only going to perimeter glue that product. Another thing that I like about it is you can make different patterns out of it. If you wanted it on a herringbone, you could do a herringbone. If you wanted to make an inlay, you can make an inlay. We have one in our showroom here, and there's a house trap under the floor in my showroom, and it's access obviously to the waistline. So we put a loose lay floor over that, so if I ever want to access that house trap, I could literally lift a board up. They won't come up. They stay really, really solid, as you could see, from these pictures. But if I wanted to lift it, I could. Now, this is great for offices. Let's say you don't plan, maybe you might not plan on staying in that office for a long time, but you want to put a new floor down. It's perfect for commercial applications. It's great for halls, like we did a Mason hall not too long ago, where they have gatherings and birthdays and stuff like that. Very, very durable product, easy to clean, and again, it just lays in beautifully. If you have a damaged board, you just pull it up and you can put a new one down. If you're leaving your commercial space and you want to take the floor with you, you can literally take the floor with you. So in conclusion, there are many different types of floors that you could use, whether you're a homeowner or you're a contractor. For homeowners, you want to know what the best product is for your house. Some of these have different, not only different costs, but the labor to install them is different. So you have a lot of variables that you could play around with. Sometimes when we're budgeting a project, one product might be better than another. And by switching products, you might even get a better look at a more reasonable cost. And for contractors, it's important that we know the different types of products that are out there, because your clients have different needs, and we need to use the right material to satisfy those needs. I think it's important as a consumer or a person in the trades that we understand our products, because they all have a certain purpose. And it could be for a client, you're trying to get a project done within a certain budget, and one product is going to be better, maybe because of the cost of that item or because of the way it's installed. The installation might be less. Maybe for a flip house, you don't want to spend that time finishing hardwood floors, and you really need to be out of there fast. And any type of click-together system or any of the floors that I mentioned would be dynamite items, especially those wide plank floors, because for a flip at a reasonable cost, not a lot of money in your installation, you could really, really have a dynamite effect. I want to thank everybody for visiting us here at Done Right Remodeling today, and I hope that you come down to our showroom. We could show you some of the really nice products that we have here. Thank you.